Pause this video if you are a college student. If you're not a college student, get out of this video. I have struggled all 4 years of college, and I found the only hack that has honestly saved me. It's called Walter Wright's AI. Stay tuned because I'll give you a code after. All you do is just paste your work that you got from like ChatGPT, and then you're gonna click humanize and scan. Look what's happening. Everything is being rewritten. This is the best AI rewriter for school. Like, I'm serious. And use my code Elisa for 30% off.